Model: 2019 Citroen Relay Boxer 35 L3H2 BlueHDi 130 6-speed Enterprise spares repairs ULEZ. Body: white, panel van. Mileage: 130,898. MOT: the 14th of May 2025. Engine: 1997 ccDW10 FUDA. Transmission: 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are noisy. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features: parking sensors, electric windows, cruise control, air con. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, 7,000.